Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the power relay in this Carrier Gree ETAC heat pump unit, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Before you begin, be sure to turn the unit off and disconnect the power supply. Remove the unit's front panel by pulling the bottom of the panel out to release it from the tabs, then lift up. Use the number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the control panel. Detach the control panel. Now unthread the lower right screw securing the junction box cover. Unthread the 3 screws securing the junction box itself. Pull back the cover to fully detach the junction box from the power cord. Disconnect the power cord wire connector. Next, unthread the 6 screws securing the control box's side access cover. Remove the cover. Unthread the 4 screws to release the left access cover. Now unthread the 5 screws securing the middle access cover. If applicable, disconnect the wall thermostat wire connector and the energy management wire connector. Disconnect the relay board and transformer wire connectors from the main control board so you can move the middle access cover out of the way. Unthread the 2 screws securing the power relay to the rear panel. Pull the relay out. Lift up the wire insulators. Note the orientation of the wires, then use the needle nose pliers to depress the locking tabs to release the wires. To install the new power relay, attach the wires to the appropriate terminals and slide the insulators over the terminals. Position the relay on the rear panel and thread the 2 screws to secure. Reconnect the relay board and transformer wire connectors to the main control board. Then realign the middle access cover and thread the 5 screws. Reconnect the wall thermostat and energy management wire connectors, if applicable. Reposition the left access cover and rethread the screws. Realign the side access cover and thread the screws to secure. Reconnect the power cord wire connector. Then reposition the junction box and rethread the screws. Rethread the lower right screw to fully secure the cover. Realign the control panel and thread the screw to secure. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the tabs over the top rail, then push the bottom of the panel in until it snaps into place. Restore power to the unit, and the ETAC heat pump system should be ready for use.